Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to talk about the Formula 1 qualifying session for the 2024 British Grand Prix. And we're going to review it. There are like 37 minutes left till the race starts, but so that's why I waited for the race to be closer, because now we can talk about it like it happened yesterday, and we can think about what will happen today, and if there's any penalties I can tell you now. So with that, here are the points that I made from and I thought about from yesterday's qualifying session. Of course, Mercedes took a 1-2, Russell ahead of Hamilton. Of course, I'm very happy with that. As a Mercedes fan, every Mercedes fan should be happy with that. And I'm this first 1-2 for Mercedes since in qualifying. Since Saudi Arabia 2021. The last one to win a race was San Paulo 2022 for Mercedes. But not only that, but it was a 1-2-3 for British drivers, with Norris coming in third. So Silverstone really got it. Verstappen could do nothing. Perez pinned and crashed. Verstappen and Magnussen almost did the same. But now coming to my points that I thought about, I can tell you about 5-6 of them. Mercedes are back. Just like in 2012 when we won a race that we were kinda bad, we came back, and of course after winning that race we were kinda good. So we are the same, and we've got the power to make it into the top 3, even 2 this year in the constructors. The British drivers are powered by the crowd a little bit. Another point, which I think is very real, thinking that they managed to do that. Well, 1-2-3, and Albon, of course, was half British, also made it into Q3, right? Or yeah. And then we can also think that Red Bull isn't as dominant as other times, and not only Perez does his usual job, but Verstappen wasn't at his best today. Yesterday, sorry. And yeah. And another one which is pretty obvious. There's a fight for a race on our hands. We saw the sprint races for Formula 2, Formula 3, plus the races for Formula 2 and Formula 3. So yeah, with that, I think we can have a pretty interesting race. And then another point, the final point. There's actually a battle for the Constructors' Championship, and maybe even for the drivers. For that, every team has to collect points, and this is a good point. Ferrari versus Mercedes. Ferrari were very good at the beginning of the season. Now they're the fourth best team. Mercedes were the fourth best team at the beginning of the season. Now they are fighting for victories. This is a really good point. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.